Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So I hope you all are doing well. So like you all know that previously on this channel we have started a new tutorial series of C++ and in this tutorial series we have covered up different videos related to C++ and I hope you enjoy that all videos. Like previously we were working on strings and I've telling you that what are number and strings. Then in the previous video we have covered up that what are access strings and I hope you enjoy that as well. So in this video I'll be telling you that what are special characters in C++. Basically it is also a kind of a string which we use, but we just say it special character because in this string we will be using some special characters which normally you will not see in the normal strings which you use. So this video will be really amazing and will be really different from the other videos. So remember to hit a like to this video, and if you enjoy this video from start, so remember to subscribe on this channel as well and hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all the other amazing videos which I'll be uploading on this channel, and share this video as well so more people can learn about these amazing things which we are covering up through C++ and which we have covered up with different languages as well previously. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started with this amazing special character tutorial video on C++ from start. So now here we are on the computer screen. Like I've told you in the start that in this video I'll be telling you that what are special characters in C++ and how we worked on these special characters basically. So if we talk about special characters, so strings are the special characters here because a string must be written within quotes. C++ will misunderstand this string and generate an error. So if I create a string which is the name as txt, you can give any of the name to your string, but just take an example that I've given the name to my string as txt, and in this string of txt we have written a text which says we are the so-called Vikings from the north. So this is a string which we have created. So what is the difference in this string? So the difference in this string is that we are creating a normal string, and in this normal string we are writing whole sentence like we are the so-called Vikings from the north. But now you can just see one difference in this string is that the string again we are writing in a string, means we have created this string with double quote, but in this string we are creating another strings in which we are writing Vikings. You can just see the double quotes before and after, means we are creating another string in my string, which is not the good thing. So the solution to avoid this problem is to use the backslash escape character. The backslash escape characters turn special characters into string characters. Like if you will be using this backslash character, so it will be turning your special characters into special string characters. Like if I use this backslash with colon, so result you will be getting with this single quotes, it will be turning it. Then if you will be using this backslash double quotes, so it will be turning the result into double quotes. Then when you will be using this double slash, it will be turning the result into one backslash. So like this you can use these things. The sequence backslash double quotes inserts a double quote in a string, means when you will be using this backslash colon, means when you will be using this backslash double quotes, it will be inserting a double quote in a string, and the example of this is like this you can use, so that you will be getting the like this double quotes before and after of this Vikings which you have to write. Like if I want to define a double quotes or a single quotes after and before this Viking text, so how we can do that? So for doing that you need to use this backslashes here, which is really important because if you don't use these backslashes you will be getting an error, and that's the thing which we have to use when you have to write these colons after or before your element which you're writing or content. The sequence of backslash one colon inserts a single quote in a string. So like if I want to add this single quote here, so I'll be using backslash then single quote, it's all right. So you will be now getting the output. You will be not getting this backslash in the output, you will be normally getting the output as it's all right, but to add this quote we have to write this backslash as well so that you can get the output as is all right. String txt, you can give any name to your string, doesn't matter. The sequence double slash inserts a single backslash in a string. Like if you want to add a single backslash in a string, so you have to use this double backslash. Then you can create a string normally with any name you want, and you can give a sentence like the character backslash backslash is called backslash, but in the output you will be only getting one backslash here, which will be indicating the output as backslash here. Other popular escape characters in C++ are backslash n and backslash t. So the backslash n character which we use is to just move on to the second line, which we use in Python as well. Then this \t is used to create a new tab in C++, which I'll be telling you moving forward. And \n, I have already told you in previous videos that it inserts a new line, and like this you can use. Like if I start with this character first, this string txt which we have created here, like if I copy this by pressing Ctrl C, and if I move on to my REPL here, so you can just see we have already created these all things. So I'll be just changing the name here, and in this name I'll be just writing special characters in C++, the name of my REPL, and I'll be pressing enter. You can just see the title has been changed into special characters in C++, and our REPL is just working. So when it will be just working, the REPL will be booting and we will be getting all the REPLs working. You can just see all the things has been done. I'll be just creating a first starting code of C++, which is include IOStream, and here I'll be writing using namespace std. Then down I'll be creating a init main function, in which I will be creating first value as return 0, which is the end value. Then I'll be just pasting this string. So now we are writing two strings here. Like the first string we have created is this, and the second string we have created this Vikings, because we are writing double quotes here. Now if I just print this string here by using the count function, like if I write txt, and then I'll be writing endl as well, so that we can get the one line space here. And if I run by pressing run button, you can just see we are getting an error which says is that in one string you cannot create a second string which we have created. So for just remove this error, and to get the colons in this letter, what we have to do is we have to use \, which I have told you that how you can use. You can use like this, and you can use like this. So now when you will be running it, like if I run it again, so now you will be not getting any error. You are getting the text which is saying we are the so-called Vikings from the north. And one thing is that we are also getting these double quotes at the start and at the end, which means our text is working and our \, are working. And if you want to create the same thing here but with a different string, so what you can do is you can give the different name to your string here. Like I'll be giving the name to my string as a string, but in capital. And here as well I'll be changing the name of my string as string, so that I can run it as well. And now the thing is that I will be using single quotes here, but the \, will be same. So now you will be getting the output as Vikings, but now the Vikings you will be getting will be in single quotes. Now if I run it, after running, you can just see the first Vikings we are getting in double quotes, and the second Vikings we are getting in single quotes, and like this you can use. Now if you want to add a \, here, so for doing that, you just need to do one thing. You have to change the name of a string, because we have used this string name at the top. You can give any name to your string, like if I write var like this, then simply here as well I'll be changing the name of my string, and I'll be just writing here like \, 2 times, so that my \, will be coming here. So I'll be just writing this, save it, and after this run it. And after running, you can just see now the output we are getting is we are the so-called \, from the north. You can just see we are getting all these things, the double quotes as well on our letter, then the single quotes, and in the end we are also getting this \, working. So I hope you understand that how we are using this special characters in C++, and what are the elements you have to use when you're starting with a special character in C++. So if you have enjoyed this video from a start, and if you understand that what are special characters, how you can use, these are also called escape sequences in C++, and in Python also we use these escape sequences to work with Python, and in C++ as well we are using the same things. But the difference is that in C++ you have to use a different way to print your function or to print your tag in your output. So like this you can use. So if you have understand this video and if you enjoyed this amazing tutorial video from start, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. And also remember to share this video so more people can learn that how we can start with these amazing languages in future, and what are the things we have to learn when we are starting with these all languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project or next tutorial video. So for today, goodbye.